G'day and welcome to Oxlade Drive. This project was done and built in conjunction with Northern Metal Roofing, where Northern Metal Roofing was the installer of the roofing and MyCladders did all the wall cladding components of it. The product we have on the wall is a Colorbond product in Monument Matte, the colour Monument Matte. The profile was roll formed by Stratco into a 265 by 38mm Highland tray. It is a very versatile product to go on walls, and there's even a few custom width sheets in there to make it so that they work in really well to minimise wastage on the project. So what do we have on this project? We have custom corners, and on those custom corners it was basically taken a 265 sheet or a 320 wide sheet and folded it at a point so that the sheets just continue around the walls. And that's what I mean by a custom folded external corner. It's becoming the trend, and it is a really, really nice way to finish it off so that you don't have a big bulky flashing. It just makes it look outstanding. It makes it look real architectural, and it's exactly what the designers are going for at the moment. So we have that, along with a bunch of challenges where we had to work in with all the balustrading and put flashings around there to make sure everything was waterproof and that the longevity of the Colorbond would last without the effects of the ocean or the river, which is very nearby. So the last thing we want is a building like this behind us having rust issues earlier than what's required. So this job, it went ahead in the start of 2019. We began on the project and we concluded in April 2019 as well. I'm really, really happy with the way it's turned out, and it's one of those feature buildings now in the New Farm area. And if you drive past, if you wanted to have a look, it is on Oxlade Drive. You cannot miss it. It's opposite the Bowls Club. A big warm thank you to Stratco for their efforts in getting the sheeting to us with their lead times, knowing that there's quite a challenge on a job like this where you've got lots of different size sheeting. I'd like to thank Andrew Avsec from Stratco. You've been amazing. Thank you very much. Also, I'd like to thank Fanos and the team at F&M who came together to complete all of the flashing work on this project. So those guys are amazing. They handle all of our intricate flashing work, and quite often we get them to fold up a bit of custom sheeting as well to integrate in with the Highland tray standing seam products. So this standing seam is 265 by 38mm high. Supplied by Stratco down at the Ormo. They roll it here. Lead time is generally around 7 days to 14 days, depending on how many big jobs they've got. But from what I've been told, they're ordering another machine. So they will be able to get their material out really quick. It's a really popular material, and us here at MyCladders, we love using it. We love working on projects with it, and it's just what we do. We absolutely love it. So come and talk to us down at MyCladders and we'll be able to help you out with your project. So Nigel, who's now our office coordinator, was the leading hand tradesperson on this project. He ran it from start to finish, and it near on killed him. However, he kept his standard, kept his high quality, and kept the desired outcome for the client, and we're able to attain it. There's not one bit of oil canning on this project behind us, and that's a statement to making sure that all the framing and all the prep work that went into that was done with a concise, conscientious effort by Nigel and his team. So a big thank you goes out to Nigel, and if you want to ask some questions, just feel free to give him a call at the office on 3177 3366, and he'd be happy to help you out on your project as well. Alright guys, so that's Oxlade. I'm Kenny and I'm talking it, the cladding that is. Until next time, keep watching our videos, subscribe. You gotta like, share with someone that you think might be able to benefit from this little video or any of our videos. And look, really keen to talk to you and work with you guys on your projects. Architects, builders, project managers, we work specifically on high-end architectural homes that want to get that architectural look, right through to smaller commercial projects, government projects. This is what we specialise in, kind of like the too hard basket stuff, but we've decided that we're going to specialise in that, and that's what we do. So here at MyCladders, like, subscribe, share, do what you do, give it to someone that might be able to help, and we really appreciate it, and see what we can do.